G'day Balonne, give us a few minutes of your time as we show you how to prepare for floods and protect what's most important to you.
Along the way, you'll get to see some spectacular places and some wonderful faces that make us so special.
Living with floods is part of life in our region.
We can't prevent floods from happening, but we can prepare to protect our families, home and business.
When floods are coming, our shops can run out of stuff quickly.
When roads are blocked, medicine and food supplies can be blocked too.
Floods can cut electricity and clean water.
During a flood, you might have to live at home with what you have for a few days.
If you get ready before a flood, you'll know what to do and have everything you need to stay safe.
Make sure you have a plan in place.
When you're making a plan, don't forget your pets, your neighbours or anyone else who might need some extra help. The Get Ready Queensland website has an emergency plan template that you can complete in about 20 minutes.
The biggest flood risk for us is isolation and lack of supplies. During floods, you might not be able to get groceries or medicine. Prepare an emergency kit and store it somewhere safe.
Have a think about the essentials your family would need if you had to stay at home for 3 days.
This might include medicine, drinking water, long life food and some toiletries.
Check out the Get Ready Queensland website for a complete guide on what to pack in your emergency kit.
If flooding affects your property, it's important to follow a couple of extra steps. Work out how to turn off your water and power.
Store all chemical, poison and garbage above ground level. Move livestock, plant and feed to higher ground.
Check if your insurance policy is up to date and it covers flooding. If you're not sure, check with your insurance provider and talk through your plan.
When weather events are brewing or a flood is coming, Council's emergency dashboard is the first port of call for information and direction. The emergency dashboard is constantly updated with live local emergency news, road conditions, weather warnings and alerts, river heights and power outages. You can sign up for free email and text notifications, which will be sent directly to you. To opt in for these alerts, visit the Balonne Shire Council website, head to the emergency dashboard and sign up for opt-in alerts.
If you're not connected to the internet or you don't have a mobile phone, pop into your local library or council office to get a copy of the latest local disaster management group update.
You can also tune into ABC radio and listen for flood warnings and alerts. In an emergency, you should always dial 000 or SES on 132 500.
If you haven't already, now's the time to jump on the emergency dashboard and opt in for alerts. Check out the Get Ready Queensland website. It's packed with loads of useful information and resources to help you protect your home, your family, your business and your own well-being in the event of a flood. Being prepared can save lives, save money and speed up recovery. Stay safe, Balonne, and remember, if it's flooded, forget it.